Want to know how to find or discover offers in Best Buy? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Best Buy application. So we have also created various videos regarding Best Buy and how to use them, so make sure to watch it. It's on our channel. So once you're on this interface, here on the bottom you should be seeing this navigation bar right here, and in the middle you should be seeing something on that Discover. This symbol is like that. So now once you've clicked the Discover, you should be seeing your latest offers. It should be right here. So if it's not here, just simply reload and you can just simply see the offers. So you can sometimes also see offers on top rated right here, and that's it. Super simple and easy. So this is how you easily see offers. So you can see, as you can see right here, you can just simply scroll down and get more products, or you can just simply directly get it from the shop itself. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.